Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Face ID is not available. Try settings up to Face ID later. So guys, how to fix this issue? If Face ID is not available on your iPhone, try these following steps to fix this issue. Number one is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Simply open the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is disable and re-enable Face ID and fix your problem. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on Face ID, enter your iPhone passcode. Simply disable the Face ID and fix your problem. If Face ID is already set, simply reset Face ID and set up again and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check for hardware issue. Ensure your iPhone's true depth camera is not damaged or faulty. If camera is damaged or faulty, remove the camera and reinstall the new camera and fix your problem. If solution number five is not working, now applying the solution number six. Solution number six is clean the true depth camera. Ensure your iPhone camera lens is free from dust, dubs and smudges. If your iPhone is covered with protector, simply remove the protector and fix your problem. If solution number six is not working, now applying the solution number seven. Solution number seven is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, transfer or reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. Simply reset all settings, confirm reset all settings. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, set up Face ID again and fix your problem. If solution number seven is not working, now applying the solution number eight. Ensure proper light condition, avoid excessive facial movements and fix your problem. Contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. If you are still experiencing issue, consider visiting an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance. They can help diagnose and fix any hardware or software issues related to Face ID. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Face ID not available on iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.